So today we will convert MBOX file into PST file using this Stellar MBOX to PST converter. So this is a web-based tool. That means you don't need to install it locally on your computer. You can just use it on the web browser only using this link, which I will provide it in the description. You just need to log in with your email ID over here. So here are the steps that they have mentioned how to convert MBOX file into PST file. So it's just a 3 steps process to get the PST file from the MBOX file. You just have to select and upload your MBOX file that you need to convert, and in the step 2 it converts the file into PST with preserving its original mailbox folder and the structure and everything, and you can instantly download and preview that PST file also. So before we go ahead, let me quickly tell you that this tool supports MBOX files from Thunderbird, Apple Mail, then Gmail, Google Takeout, and many more. Then it preserves the same folder hierarchy and email data and attachments it had in MBOX file. It allows user to preview emails before conversion itself. So it's very simple, secure, and user friendly. So with the free plan, it supports file size up to 100 MB. Then it allows conversion of 1 MBOX file per registered email ID. It provides HTML preview of the converted file, and converted file also is available for download for up to 3 hours. Okay, the next 3 hours. And if you opt for premium plan, then it supports up to 5 GB file size, and if you have bigger file, then you can get the desktop version of the software and you can just convert it locally. Then the premium plan also allows conversion of up to 5 MBOX files. It provides HTML preview of the converted file and the converted file available for download for 24 hours. So let's go and see how to convert MBOX to PST. So here we can see upload your MBOX file option. So we will click on upload MBOX file. I have it in downloads folder here in MBOX file. So this is my sample MBOX file. Let's see and check MBOX file. It is, the type of file is MBOX file. So let's select this file and click on upload. So here on this screen it says file uploaded. The next phase will be conversion to PST and then preview and save. So we can see the file name, its file size, and file format. Okay, so click on start conversion. So it is analyzing. The analysis has begun now, and this is the progress bar where we will see how much it has analyzed till now. Okay, the analysis is complete and the conversion is started now. Now it is generating preview. Okay, now it says MBOX is converted and preview and save also is green check. So we can see file converted successfully. If you scroll down, you see congratulations, your MBOX file has been successfully converted. You can preview the converted file in HTML format or save as PST. So first we will click on preview, and we can see the HTML file is downloaded. I think we should be able to drag it here only. Okay, so this is our converted MBOX.html file. You can see the Stellar Converter MBOX to PST converter, the tool that we used here, and here is your content. This is the preview which we will be exporting into the PST file. Now let's go back on our main page and click on save PST file. as we are on the free plan, so we can convert one MBOX file using this plan for one email ID, and the file size is up to 100 MB. If your MBOX file size is bigger, so you can opt for premium plan where you can convert up to 5 GB file size and up to 5 MBOX files. And if the file size is bigger than 5 GB, then you can use desktop version of this tool where you can use this conversion process locally itself. So I will click on download PST button, and it has now downloaded the MBOX file in PST format. So let's go and quickly verify the file is now in PST format. So we will open our Outlook, file, open and export, import and export, import from another program PST or file. Next we will choose here Outlook data file.pst, click on next. We will click on to replace duplicates with item imported. We have to choose our PST file here. Now our recent PST file is this, so choose it, click on open, click on next, okay, click finish. So this is our MBOX file, which is now in PST format. We have imported it in Outlook to see the content of that file. So it is very interactable, and we can use it and we can see all the data over here in Outlook. So this is a web-based tool. You can just use it on the web browser only using this link, which I will provide it in the description.